Characteristics of online journalism. Next, let's discuss the features of online journalism and learn how it differs from traditional journalism. The Internet is a total makeover in human communication system. All the characteristics of the Internet changed the way the traditional journalism functioned, keeping its traditional nature. There, the Internet worked as an auxiliary element, sourcing and sending news via email, transferring design pages from one place to another, etc. These were the use of the Internet for journalists in its infant stage. In that way, the Internet was serving as an auxiliary element, but when hypertext gained popularity in 1990s, news media were all set to adopt the new form of content creation and delivery using the possibility of hypertextuality, multimediality, and other potential elements of the Internet. Let's have a look into each of them. Hypertextuality. By definition, hypertext is a text displayed on our computer screen or any other device with a link to other element, be it in visual or audio or any other form which the user can quickly connect to. In online journalism environment, hypertext linking potential refers to the use of in-story, off-story links and navigation links available in news stories. The presence of links to the archives is also included to the hypertext linking. In-story links are the links that are embedded within the text of a particular story. And off-story linking means linking with the news item or content elsewhere. Navigation links facilitate easy moving from one news item to the other. This facility offers limitless space in an online newspaper and enable them to keep their information as archives. Multimedia or hypermedia. Using more than one medium of expression for communication is multimedia. It is one of the major features of the Internet platform. It refers to placing different media in a single package and on a single platform. While multimedia can take several forms such as computer games, digital art and reference works, the form in which it appears in online journalism is known as hypermedia. It is an extension to hypertext, providing multimedia facilities such as those handling sound, graphics, photos, charts and video. With this facility, online sites simultaneously present news in the form of radio news in the audio form, television news in the form of moving images, and print media news in the form of text. More so, combination of all these elements with an option for browsing among them is also possible. That is why it is called hypermedia. Interactivity. By definition, interactivity means the process of two or more people or things working together and influencing each other. Hyperlinks facilitate audience interaction with media content. Online news sites use various ways such as RSS, blogs, polls, surveys, options, comments and feedback to engage their audience. Immediacy. Immediacy in the context of online journalism is the extent to which web news sites provide consumers information with least time. Unlike traditional media, news sites can break news as they are getting it from the source or live. Electric speed of the Internet and quick methods of digital production are the basic reasons for the simultaneous delivery of news. Innovation. While traditional mainstream media stuck in the conventional business models and monetizing practices, online journalism offers multiple innovative ways to conduct the business. The flexibility that digital technology offers make online journalism an ever-changing phenomenon. This has led to the emergence of startups and entrepreneurships in the field with a high success rate. Personalization. Traditional mass media is more of a collective experience of media use since there are a lot of common things to share. When it comes to online journalism, users have unlimited options to pick and choose. For example, users can choose a video if they like from the same platform where text and audio are available. They can filter news items by country or by interest or specialty. Similarly, user can customize and filter news delivery system based on their interests such as sports, business, local, regional, etc. In that way, online journalism permits unlimited personalization options as opposed to collective and common experience offered by the traditional mass media. Limitless space. On online news sites, we can present limitless news items while traditional mass media face space and time limits respectively in the print and in the audio-visual formats. Limitless space enables digital media to archive their earlier news items which the user can use at any point of time in future. In the same way, limitless space available helps the reporter to cover the events with maximum details and quotations, most often with pictures, audio clips and full-length video. Universal delivery. Normally, the internet has no national boundaries and geographical constraints in delivering data. This potential on the digital technology propelled the concept of global journalism online. In traditional media, local and state-level news items are appeared in local editions only. In online media, such items can be accessed from anywhere in the world. This kind of universal delivery of news started to add global dimension for local events which are otherwise ended up with just local public attention. Archivability. Archivability means capacity of digital media to store past stories for future reference. Unlimited space, extensive search facility using Boolean method and proper organization of items using hyperlinks help digital media to become a repository of news items. The archival nature of digital news sites adds their historic value too. Considering this, many news sites started news archives and users can search past stories and connect them with the present ones to get a better understanding of the present one. This facility is no more or very limited in the conventional media like newspapers, radio and television. In short, the features such as hypertextuality, multimediality, interactivity, immediacy, innovation, personalization, universal delivery and archivability of online journalism changed the way editors develop content, owners run media business, and designers design news, and ultimately users consume news. Newspapers have readers, radio has listeners, and television has viewers. But users of online news belong to all these categories, plus they are producers of media content too, by way of posting comments and sharing preferred items to social media and networked communities. Hence, users of online journalism are termed as prosumers of news. This hybrid word, producers plus consumers, indicates that user can customize news as they like and consume news as they wish.